Now for this wheel, we need a shaft or adapter to fit the motor to the wheel. I have designed a 3D model for it and provided the STL file in the description below. This shaft or adapter will allow you to connect the DC motor to RC wheels with hex connector, and the hex size is 12 mm. And always remember, there are different type of the hex sizes, so use this shaft for only 12 mm size. Here I have printed the 3D model. Now use the screw for the connection of the wheel and shaft and attach the motor. Now we are using MIT App Inventor to create our application, and remember one thing, this project is based on secure communication between Bluetooth module and Arduino board. Means you have to enter the correct password to control the board. Without entering the correct password that you have provided to the board, it will not work. And if you are using our code, always use the application that we have created and provided in the description below, because we have programmed that application for that specific code, and you are free to use this code, application and circuit diagram, but remember to give us credit wherever you are using it. That's all.
It's all about humanity.